Queen presented him with the trophy. Britain's aircraft industry may have a winner in the Comet. I quote the sober view of aviation critics. The de Havilland Company have produced this four-engine jet airliner, the first in the world, largely from experiments carried out on the little 108. Their pilots are the famous war ace Cunningham and Johnny Wilson. Cunningham talks to Sir Frank Whittle on the left, the inventor of the jet. At first, the occasion was intended as a press show while a few taxiing tests were performed along the runway. But Group Captain Cunningham was sufficiently encouraged to lift the Comet a few feet off the ground. Further engine inspection took place, and with conditions perfect, the test pilots took the machine up to 8,000 feet successfully. Flying in the stratosphere, the Comet should do the trip to New York in 6 hours and Australia in 36. If hopes are not disappointed, Britain may presently lead the world in fast air travel. The original